One of our core values is solving problems through deep thinking. Sometimes it's difficult to stop, gather up all the information, find the root cause, and move on. But that's really what we focus on when we work with our customers like yourselves. We try to stop and ask the right questions to get the right answers or the right inputs. We go deep using tools like Fishbone and 5Y to really get to what is happening in the problem. If we understand what the problem is, we can bring the right solution with our additive manufacturing solutions to you in a way that works right the first time. In tooling, one of the tools that we use for problem solving, for instance, is thermal imaging. Thermal imaging is a great opportunity to see what's happening in the mold and what's happening there and where exactly we need to place the conformal cooled inserts. We also use things like mold flow simulation, and by using these tools, it allows us to go a little bit deeper, and we use our expertise along with those tools. So our expertise in mold making, as well as master molding and scientific molding, to be able to understand what the root cause is, provide you with a solution, and be right the first time.